Okay, so we're at the situation where we've been working in ENVI. We've got a number of different files open. We've done some work to, for example, select our different bands for the RGB color scheme, and we're unable to keep working. We have to go eat lunch or something, and then we can come back later. And so rather than start from scratch and then have to open up all these files again and select the different bands, there's a way to preserve our settings so that when we come back to work the next time, we can just open up and start right where we left off. And so that's the purpose of this video. And so if you go to, so you're ready to shut down for the day, and you want to kind of preserve your current working area, you go to Views and Layers and you click on this Save. And I'm working in Lab 1, so I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to save a JSON file, and so I'll call this RS Lab 1 working. And I'm going to save that. And so that's going to basically save all the file locations and the settings here within ENVI. So close, great, exit the application, log off, go do whatever it is you need to do. And then the next day or later that same day, you come back in and you open up ENVI again. Instead of having to open up each of those files from scratch, by using that JSON file, we're able to kind of restore our working settings. And so if you go again to Views and Layers, and this time instead of Save, if you click on Restore, and you click on this guy, which is the file we just created, it's just this little guy, and basically it's just saying, I know where all those files were and the order things were opened and such. It's going to basically restore each of those files. So you have a way to come back and pick up where you left off without having to open everything up from scratch. So that's just what I wanted to share with you guys for that one. I'm going to